You can automate printing certificates with a list of names in Microsoft Word using the Mail Merge feature. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare the list of names. In Microsoft Excel. In column A, type name as the header. Below it, list all names, example John Smith, James Johnson, etc. Save the file. Start Mail Merge in Word. Here is Out Certificate template. We go to the Mailings tab. Click Select Recipients. Use an existing list. Browse and select your Excel file, list.xlsx. Choose the correct sheet and confirm. Then insert Merge field. Place your cursor where the recipient's name should appear in the certificate. Click Insert Merge field. Select Name. It will show as Name in the document. Click Finish and Merge. Select Edit Individual Documents. Then from the option select from specifying the number of rows in the Excel list, in this instance from row 1 to 9. Then click OK. Let us adjust a bit the text box to display the name clearly. Now as you can see, it generates all the names, each pages of this document. That is the simple process on making certificates display automatically the name of recipients in Microsoft Word. That's all. I hope it's helped. Thank you for watching.